Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of meals and dining. It refers to the first meal of the day, typically eaten in the morning after waking up. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as breakfast, breakfast, first, breakfast. Breakfast is crucial in starting the day right, helping individuals to fuel their bodies and mind for the activities ahead. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about breakfast, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.